Today we are in Kyalami Estate and we are going to install the child and pet safety cover, and we'll just be taking you through the steps on how it's being done. I'm gonna roll the cover open over this the length of the pool. Okay, and then we're gonna line it up, make sure that it's equal on all four sides of the pool. The straps and ratchets we're gonna install on this side, and then the normal anchors on hooks on the other side. All right, we're gonna take out the aluminium pole now, and then we're gonna paste the straps that it's gonna be anchored with equally over the width of the pool. We're gonna cut a little slot into the fabric, and then we're gonna feed the pole back through the cover and through this little hoop here. So because this is decking, we're gonna use this stainless steel plate. We're gonna screw it into the decking, and then this little hook is gonna hook on it. It will look something like that once it's done. We always must start in the center, then you're gonna work your tension right through. See, on this specific one, there's no concrete or anything that we're gonna drill into. Just putting a bit of weight on it so that you can get the tension correct. Well, it will help with water evaporation. The pool stays clean. I mean, there's not leaves or any other rubbish coming into it. You do cut back on the usage of your chemicals, but it even warms up your water temperature a bit. With it being black on underneath, it becomes water. You'll see on this cover it's got drainage holes. That's just to get, you know, rainwater to go through. You'll see the straps on the ratchet sides longer than the ones in the front, because this is the one that's going to go through the ratchet to give you the extra tension that you need. The last step will be is just to fasten the ratchet, something like that. Pull up the little lever, bend it over, and there it releases your tension. And then it's just a matter of unhooking everything again. The cover is open. Just to get the tension of the cover, takes about 30 minutes to do the installation. Cover can take up to 150 kilograms of accumulative weight. Well, with the ratchets now being in place, we're tightening the ratchet, and that's it. That's your pet and child safety cover.